Another day in Bulgaria. Wow, look at the mess. Woohoo! This is our, this is I think it was a pig shed over here. And as you can see, all these trees, it's really hard to see though, but this whole tree there, can you see that, guys? I don't know, it's like crazy. It fell totally there. Look, there, you can see it. It destroyed the whole shed. So this is the mess that we're looking at. And here you have a chicken shed over there. And we put it full of all the wood that we could find because, we're going to dry it so that we can just, use it to warm up our house when we want to. Over here, we had a whole place full of wood, which we're now emptying because we want this to be our summer kitchen. It's going to be great. And then here there is another area, which is very big, but no more roof, nothing over there. So that's another thing that we're going to do later on. And then here we have our hay shed, which we now filled with all the hay and the wood that was lying here. There you can see is going to be all the hay. Oh, sorry, all the wood. And here is my hubby is fixing, sorry guys, fixing like little wood things that we have. And here we're just going to do some trash and all the other things. And we're going to do some metals because we found also a lot of metals. And we're going to use the metals later on. We're going to check it out, everything that it is. And we're going to bring it away because we can really use the money to maybe get some help for our garden or anything, because to tackle all this by yourself, it's a lot. But this is what we're doing right now, and as you can see, there is tons and tons and tons of work still to do. So yeah, this is what we're doing right now.